If you're new to barbering and still learning how to cut hair, I'm going to share with you some tips that will help you get comfortable with your clippers. That way you're ready to tackle any hairstyle. So to cover some basics, with any clipper you have two blades. The cutting blade, which is the blade that moves back and forth, and then the steel blade. This is the blade that doesn't move. As you can see, it's moving back and forth. And all adjustable clippers have a lever that lets you change the position of this cutting blade. It lets you move the blade up or down. So when you move the lever up, it decreases the gap between these two blades, so it cuts off more hair. And then more you begin to push down on this lever, it increases the gap, so it cuts off less hair. More hair being cut off, less hair being cut off. You simply adjust this lever in a number of steps to blend the hair. Now let's move on to a practical example. Now I'm going to open it and it cuts off less hair. As you can see, the hair is slightly darker in this area. And how blends are created, you just simply begin to adjust the lever. And in essence, that's how a blend is created. Now we're going to talk about using guards, also known as attachment combs. Whenever you put a guard on, always make sure you hear that snap. This makes sure that the guard is secure on the clipper. Guards restrict the clipper to cutting to a specific length, and the guard number will always be annotated on the back of the guard. Another thing that's very important when using a clipper is the angle that you place the clipper onto the head. When the clipper is flush, it cuts off the most hair. The more you have the blades angled flat to the head, it's going to cut off more hair. You can angle the clipper and it will cut off less hair. Another helpful technique is the rake down technique. So you open the lever on the clipper. This technique is good for polishing the haircut. So whenever you want everything to flow together. And last but not least, you have to get comfortable with the clippers in your hand. So get comfortable maneuvering the clippers in different ways, and that way you'll find out what angles and what positions are best for you. If this tip was helpful and you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments.